I've been meaning to make a video about this set for a while now. Let's see what's here. Sharp stereo cassette deck, RT-1144. Sharp stereo amplifier model SM-1122. And Sharp FM AM stereo tuner model ST-1122. The Sharp SM-1122 amplifier was briefly featured in a previous video testing some Sony SS MSP16 speakers, and this is going to be a closer look at the unit. Power on, power off button, stereo mono selector, and the loudness button. The source selector buttons, bass, treble and balance knobs below it, microphone input, microphone fader and microphone echo selector, volume knob. Let's have a look at the back of the unit. To the left are various inputs controlled by those buttons at the front, and the ground wire connector below that. Outputs are here, and the speaker connections are here. A easy to get to external fuse holder and voltage selector below that. Here's a tag, and that tells us it uses 110 watts power consumption, made in Japan. Let's check out the FM AM stereo tuner model ST-1122 that wasn't featured in any previous videos. Power on off button with LED above it, and a signal strength meter and a tuning meter. FM LED indicator on the scale, and this tuning knob has some really weight or momentum feel to it. It's really nice to use. AM FM selector to the left and mono stereo selector to the right, air check button and the tuning knob, and that's got really nice feel to it. The tuning meter to the right you have to keep in the center when tuning as much as you can for proper stereo reception. And the signal meter to the left just shows you the strength of the signal received by the receiver. None of the backlighting globes on the tuning scale, the signal meter or the tuning meter unfortunately no longer work. This is a signal strength meter working in AM mode. Let's have a look at the back of the unit. Again, there's a voltage selector to the left and a fuse holder to the right. Input below that, and the tag telling us it uses 6 watts of power, again made in Japan. Connectors for external AM and FM antennas. And apart from the burnt out globes, this tuner is in perfect working condition. and I'll have a look inside it at the end of the video. The whole set is from 1979. Let's have a look at the RT-1144 cassette deck. Power button and standard piano keys for the cassette. It features an APSS auto program search system, headphones and mic inputs, input selector for microphone, Dolby B, as well as tape bias and EQ switches. Diagram below that shows us how to use that switch with chrome, ferrochrome and normal position cassettes. The view meters, the left one's a little bit faded for some reason, or maybe the right hand side was replaced at some time. Let's have a look at the deck with a period correct cassette in it, and the unusual cassette door, which is a tinted acrylic cover that swings into the unit. The APSS auto program search system can be used either in fast forward or reverse. The back of the cassette deck looks a little bit different to the rest of the system. Again, made in Japan. Here are the line in and line out RCA plugs, as well as the DIN equivalent in the center. Again, the voltage is regulated. And yes, the cassette deck is the RT-1144 series, as all the other stuff below that is 1122 series. So it does look a little bit different, and it is a touch wider compared to the 1122 series amplifier and tuner. This is a tuner inside, and this is the actual tuner section. And this is the massive flywheel that's at the end of the tuning knob inside. That gives it that momentum power in the back of the fuse holder. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next or the previous video.